Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about find the solution of sinA cosine 8. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have this one. Now I need to put the power 2 for the both sides. So we need to expand this one, and we have sinA square plus 2 sinA cosine 8 plus cosine A square. So we know that sinA square plus cosine A square equals to number 1. Now we need to transform sinA square cosine A square equals to number 1. And now we want to find sinA cosine 8. So I will put number 1 go to the right, and we divide both sides by number 2. And we have 12 over 25. This is the end. Thank you for watching.